So we reached Ikea, and this is the first location in Bangalore. Before it was in Hyderabad. So we just came to explore these sections, and we heard that a lot of new things and surprise and discount available because it's newly opened. So let's go inside, because we have not seen any waiting time outside, because normally weekend a lot of waiting time is there. So let's go inside and explore more. Come. Okay, so it looks like a Tirupati Darshana. So if you need a wheelchair support, they have nicely kept wheelchair here. So you can utilize these sections also. We thanks to IKEA's team that they have thought about this. Yeah, let's go inside.
Yes, tell.
This chair is very nice, and you can sit more comfortably.
मस्त जोक मारा रे ये हंस रहे हल्का हंस
Okay, so finally we have completed today's journey, and we reached here around 2 o'clock, and now almost 6 o'clock, and we are a little bit tired also, and you can say that a lot of things inside you can see in Ikea, and it's a very nice way they have decorated, and a little bit confusion you can feel because a lot of product what I have seen, there is no price mentioned, so because people are यहाँ से वहाँ सामान रख रहे हैं, तो आपको दिक्कत हो जाएगा उसके लिए, तो वो आपको थोड़ा परेशानी में डाल सकता है. Confusion, there is one more that where you have to go. You can see your the floor where they have mentioned the aroma, where you can go and how you can go. You can see a lot of posters they have put it, like a emergency exit, or you want to continue shopping, that you can observe those things, and you have to come in a very casual way, because when you walking 3-4 hours, you may feel pain on your leg, and you may feel thirsty, so I will suggest you carry some of like a small water bottle. प्यास जब आपको लगता है तो वो आपको काफ़ी मदद करेगा, और काफ़ी सारे इंफॉर्मेशन जो मैं आपको वीडियो के अंदर देने की कोशिश किया हूँ, दैट आई फील दैट इट मे हेल्प यू, एंड फाइनली दैट thank you so much for keep watching our video, and I will request you, please do share, like, and please comment that how you feel today's video, and if you feel that you need some more information about IKEA or any other place, or any other information that you are looking for, please comment on the comment section. So, one more request, please do subscribe, because your subscriptions, your share, your like, your comment will definitely boost us to do more work and bring more value content which help you. Yeah, so thank you so much, and have a nice day.